What's going on, guys and gals? We're getting ready to put some new steps on the truck, and I need to get these unboxed. Not sure I need a knife for this part. Let's try it this way. All right, looks like this might work. Kind of out of room on the part you can't see. I think it's going to work though. Maybe. All right. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Let's see. Let's start with one. And then we'll put the other one together. Let's get this out of the bag. All right, is there a good way to do this? I don't know. Let's try it this way. Oh, this seems to work. All right, let's put that down before I cut myself. Some gloves. All right. Looks like we have some protective stuff on the end. There's a knife. All right, let's get some cutters to cut this zip tie. All right, what does this do? All right, I'm going to assume these go down this way. Ow. Okay, not entirely sure what I'm doing wrong here, so I will. All right, that probably needs to be up here. I think these are for the brackets to bolt this underneath. And I've got this one stuck somehow. Okay, what's going on here? All right, we'll go back to that. I have jammed it up. So let's see what's in box number 2 here. Try not to get a cardboard cut. Those are awful. All right, we have mounting brackets and hardware. So these are going to mount up underneath. Step is going to rest on this. All right, so let's put these over here. These are all identical. A whole bag of hardware. Let's see what we have to do there. And instructions. Should we read the instructions? Who reads directions, right? All right. So we have a parts list. Can you see this? Oh yeah. Parts list, brackets, steps. It says do not use pneumatic tools. Yeah, I can imagine that would be bad. All right, so we have some instructions on the back. So these are 07 to 13 models, 14 to 18, and 2019 classics. So there are specific instructions for those body styles. All right. This box is empty. So we can assume that in this side, we're going to have the same thing. Almost. Brackets only, no hardware. Okay, again, the brackets are not the same. So these are different per side. Okay, so I have to figure out what side that goes to. It's just kind of a mirror image of the other side. Okay, so there's all my brackets. And let's figure out what we have to do here. These appear to be the end caps. All right, screws and more parts. Okay. And more instructions. One page, just nothing on the back, only the front. Let's put that up before I cut myself. All right, so let's see what we have on this side. These are pretty sharp. These are by a company called Calm Nova. And let's figure out which side this goes on. Okay, so basically I just put this, the other one's going to fall off. Yep. All right, so how this works. All right. So these basically go on here. And you put your screw on to hold those in place. I'm putting the, if you kind of make that look like a hat, it's hat side down. Get a screwdriver. If I can find the right drawer. So I will probably cut through some of this part because I'm sure you don't want to sit there and watch me put in 16 screws. So basically I'm just snugging that. You don't have to really force down on it or crank down on it. These screws are going into plastic, so it's pretty easy. Whoop. So once you get it snug, you're good. If you have an electric screwdriver, this would certainly work. Just know that once you get down to the bottom, you may want to switch to just a handheld screwdriver so you don't blow through those threads and strip the hole. All right, so there's the first 4. I'm going to work on this bracket to get that freed up, put the rest of the end caps on, and I'll be back. All right, so just an update. To get this to move down, I just had to unscrew the bolts. The bolt was hitting these pieces down here, and I just had to loosen the bolts, and off they went. So, yeah, my fault there. All right, that should be about where they need to be. All right, so here's a close-up of these pieces. They literally just drop onto there, and you're going to put a screw in. Okay. You'll feel it get snug. Once it gets snug, you're done. Don't keep cranking on it. Okay. All right. So 2 more. We'll wrap this part up. I will probably hang the brackets on the truck first. That way I can just set these on there and tighten those up. All right, so that part is finished. Get you over here and get you a look-see. Pretty nice. All right, I'm going to get the other side put together, and we're going to get them on the truck. All right, so these are finished, and it's time to install the brackets. And it's worth noting that these are identical. There is no left or right side. And if you have a couple of these left over and a couple of screws, it looks like they were thoughtful enough to leave you some extra parts. Because sometimes you drop stuff. And sometimes you drop stuff and it disappears. So anyway, let's get back to it. All right, so we are under the truck. And I'm on the passenger side rear. You're going to see these little tabs here. This truck has had steps on it before. There's actually already hardware under here. The other step got damaged and was removed, and I left the hardware in place, so I'm going to reuse that. But in the bag, if I can get this and not have shadows, you're going to see these clips. And these are going to slide into the hole like that and end up looking like that. I'm just going to push it in, and there's a little tab down in there to hold it in place. It's going to be 3 of those. So you're going to have one at the back. Pay no attention to that. Oh, I'm out of light. But you can see one right there, and there's one in the front. So I'm going to bring a bracket in. Maybe. Let's see what I can do here. All right, I need to set up a different thing. Hold up. Are we on? I think we're cooking here. All right. So basically, I'm going to take a bracket and begin hanging them. Again, this is the passenger side. In the directions, it's going to tell you the orientation of your the brackets here, because this little hook or bend is going to be opposite. All right, so let me grab. Okay, so I'm just going to do this 3 times for each bracket. You're going to need a 13mm socket and a 13mm wrench, or just a 13mm wrench, or a couple of wrenches. So let me tighten here. Where's my wrench? So let's tighten this first. Okie dokie. Let's get this one here. Pretty sure we got this one tight. This is not the strongest ratchet for, it's not a lot of torque, but it does a great job. All right, so I'm going to knock out the other 2 real quick, and then we're going to set the step in place. Make sure you can still see this. Did I bump the camera? Hard to tell. Oh yeah, I think you can see that. Okay, cool. All right, so the first bracket, you're just going to repeat that process 2 more times, and you're going to look like this. Now next, what I'm going to do is just take these. I'm going to take the bolts out of this, or these brackets here. Remember, at the beginning of the video, these brackets slid. So essentially what you're going to do is just set this on the brackets, and you're going to move these to line them up. Then you can put the bolts in from the bottom. Super simple. So let me get the rest of these bolts out. We're going to set it in place and finish it up. All right, we are finished. So basically, like I said, you just lay this on the brackets, slide those other little brackets in place to line those up with the holes, tighten your bolts, off you go. Very nice. Now I gotta admit, I got a little bit ahead of myself and I forgot washers. So I've got to pull these bolts back out and put washers underneath, but that gives you an idea of what you're doing. Again, those are 13mm bolts. And these just sit on those brackets, bolt them in place. So, very good. All right. I'm going to pull more bolts out, or pull the bolts out and put washers in. And it's dinner time. Thanks for watching.